in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a lavender essential oil, a lavender body oil, and a lavender scent bag, and you can do this with any other herb that you like, the smell of. You can mix and match some herbs. The only things you'll need is a mesh bag, the herb of your choice, some carrier oil, and a glass bottle. Now, I recently went to the Mayfield Lavender Farm, and I think it's about 2 months ago, about a month ago, just over a month ago, and I got some lavender. So I've got some up here, and I've got some in my room left as well. So I've dried the lavender out completely, and now I'm going to make some little drawer centres and things to keep near my pillow or in my pillowcase, just so that it always smells very nice of lavender. And these are expensive to buy, and it's so much easier to make your own. So you can go and get your own fresh lavender, or you can buy the herbs themselves. So this is the lavender I put in my tea before I went to the lavender field, but lavender is my favourite herb, so of course I picked up some as well. So obviously you can just get your bag and fill it up with this, and that is a really simple way to create your nice smelly thing. And obviously the mesh bags are good for this because obviously there's the space between them. So like a tea bag, you want it to infuse the water, you want this to infuse the air so the smell can get out. So I think I'm going to use this big one and try and put as much of this in as possible. So yeah, you want to make sure that your mesh bag has no holes in it, so that if you've got it in your pillow in the night, all the lavender doesn't come out and just go into your bed. Okay, so these are just some sprigs that I pulled out, and I'm going to literally just hold it over the bag, hold the stem, and then just pull the stem out. You have to hold the lavender quite hard so that it does come. But look, I'm just going to keep doing this over and over again until it's filled up, basically. So this is going to take me a while, so I'll tune back in when it starts to get a bit more filled up. Filled up half the bag now. I didn't want to fill it up completely because it's quite a strong smell. So now we just need to make sure that it gets tightly shut. So I might put some glue in the middle here just to ensure that no lavender comes out. But I'm going to try and wrap it super tight, and then I'll show you where I put it. Some more lavender oil to put it in here, and then also I'm going to make some bigger lavender oil to put it in here so I can use on my face and my body. So this I'll use like an essential natural oil, and it's for spa reasons, I guess. So it's super easy. I'm just going to have the rest of the lavender, the dried lavender, and mix it with a carrier oil. So the carrier oil I've got is sweet almond. I would use coconut, but because it's summer, the coconut, no, but because it's getting colder, the coconut solidified, so that won't be efficient enough to dilute or distill, whatever the word is, the lavender. So I'm going to start off with the smaller one first. So this is actually a lavender essential oil bottle that ran out. So I haven't cleaned it because I knew I was going to fill it up with fresh lavender. Ugh. All I'm going to do is just the same. I'm just going to fill this up with the lavender sprigs. And obviously, again, you can just buy some lavender sprigs instead of buying the actual fresh ones. Okay, let's get the lavender in there first.
So I'm using the smaller sprigs of lavender, so obviously it fits in. It's going to be too big. Nah. And I'm just going to put in as much as I can. because obviously an essential oil needs to be very strong. And obviously we want it to be very lavendery rather than the carrier oil more so. And obviously you don't have to do this with lavender, you can do it with any other herbs. You can do it with chamomile, you can do it with rose. And it will give you the same kind of finish.
Now I'm going to try and just pour this. And I probably won't use it for about a few weeks and let it all soak in, and then we'll have some lavender oil. So now I'm going to do the same with this big bottle. This is actually what I got at the Mayfield thing. It's actually still got a bit of lemonade left in it, so I'm going to quickly wash that out because that's disgusting, and then I'll be right back. So now we have our clean bottle, so I'm just going to do the same. So everything else, just put as many lavender sprigs in here as possible. Okay, now this is giving me major DIY vibes because now I'm having to use actual cooking extra virgin olive oil to fill up the rest of it. And olive oil is a carrier oil, so this isn't going to do any bad. It's still good, but it's just got a colour and a scent to it, which is why it isn't a normally preferred carrier oil to use. And that's it. So that's all the lavender from that bunch used now. So I did this one last, so I could just use the rest of it in it. Wow, that is our body oil. So you can use this essential oil in a diffuser, you can use it in your shampoo, you can really put essential oils anywhere. You can drop it onto your hands as perfume or your clothes. And the body oil as well is pretty self-explanatory. You can use it as a moisturiser, you can put it in the bath, so it has that moisturising effect as well as that aromatherapy. And the smelly pouch bags will really help you in sleeping times, or you can put them in a drawer, in your shoes, in a cupboard to make that smell very nice, or you can keep it in maybe like a comfy hoodie or a dressing gown. But obviously it depends what herb you put in it, depends where you put it. Lavender obviously helps you sleep and relax, so I'm going to keep lavender near my bed. But if I have smelly shoes, I'm definitely going to put it in my shoes as well. Thank you for watching these nice little DIYs. You can use them as little gifts, and obviously you can change it up to any scent that is your preferred or any herb that does good things for you. But thank you for watching.